The last set I had was just a little too thick and too long. I wanted it smaller parting and more locks and also a lot more curl. I really missed my curls, so I went with the 14-inch 4A, and I did cut some off the bottom and then lightly layer them. I can't wait for you guys to see them when they're dry. Look at my little heart. Oh, where is it?
I said, what I look like giving up today when tomorrow might be the day I win.
Not saying I'm the best at what I do. I'm just saying that it's me versus whoever wanna lose. Pick anyone.
You said trust the process. Now my eyebrows are a hot mess. You are dead wrong. Now wipe that shit off and draw them back.
I can do this, I can do this, I can do this, or I can do this.
This is a custom set of human hair permanent lock extensions that I made by blending different colors of blonde and different textures. It came out so beautifully, and the curls are still structurally sound. I never make locks with factory bought 613 hair because it is trash. In order to bleach hair, you have to eat the protein out of it. There's no other way around it. That is how bleach works, and that's why it's hard to find healthy blonde. A lot of you are like, okay, I have locks on the left, now what do I do with them? Well, you can do a traditional sew-in, or you can make your own clip-ins. I can also make you clip-ins if you want. However, I don't recommend you wear these all the time because obviously clipping something into your hair over and over is going to cause bald spots, and it's really not the healthiest option for your hair, but if you must, here is that option. I can also hide the root for you so that you can't see it. It's completely undetectable. This is not a leaf. I've outdone myself.
Now I got 32 flavors of that bootylicious bubble gum. Raspberry, grape, cherry, come and get the sunny bun. Yummy, yum, baby.
About to wet these bad boys up.
I'm from outer space, I got